I have the gun collection screen. In the scene, I have the guns with the pickup scripts. I have the level trigger. When you enter this one with your character, you will be moved to level 2. Okay, you know, the platforms, no UI, nothing, and the camera. If you go back to the gun collection scene, we have only also the weapons, the trigger, the camera, and the platforms for the levels. The gun player script is holding our player as well as the canvas with a movable joystick, floating joystick, and this will be additionally loaded this scene onto the first level, which is the gun collecting scene. So when we start it, as you can see, our player is loaded and also our joystick is working. If you look onto the trigger and onto the switch scene script, as you can see, our player is loaded into the gun collection scene. So it will be loaded on top, as you can see it here. Yeah. So when we enter the trigger, the gun collection scene will be removed and the player is still staying here, will not be removed. So as you can see, we unload the gun collection, which is the current active scene, and we move to level 2, or we load it additive, like the gun player scene. So when we now go here and collect a weapon, as you can see, the weapon is moved to the player here, which is now located in the player scene and not anymore in the gun collection scene. Therefore, when we go to scene 2, we take it with us because the scene 1 is unloaded, but the player has the weapon still because it's loaded now in the player scene, and he's holding it. So you are not losing your items when switching to new scenes. That's it.